Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. Today we're here with the 2018 Stryker Ranger LX360. We're going to walk you guys through the setup procedure of this boat. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the valves a quarter turn so that they will spring shut when we take the pump out. So what we've done here, guys, is we've brought the boat up to about 15-20% air. I like to do that. I like to get a little shape in the boat. It's a lot easier to install the floor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bow board. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to tuck it right inside to the bottom of the boat, about 2 feet in, and work its way to the front. And when I got that in place, I'm just going to verify that it's in the edges. Perfect. As well as the transom board, I like to come about 2 feet back, place one corner into the far edge, pull the fabric to the side, drop the floor into place, slide that back into position evenly on both sides. Do the same with each piece here. So this last board, number 3, what I like to do is I tuck that in and pull up on the 2 and the 3 boards till it meets in the middle. So as you can see, the final step to that was we TP'd board number 2 and 3 together. Now what we're going to do, gently step into the boat, and I'm going to give a light tug on the handles, just to verify that everything went in straight. I can see that it did. The next step to this is installing the stringers. On our stringers, there's a large flat end to it, and then the other side, it's got a bit of a curve. That curve is going to sit in where the tube goes, so the flat edge is on the bottom. Pull the fabric to the side, place the edge of that in there, and it's a simple tuck and roll. So you grab the edge of it and you roll it into place. This is a brand new boat, it's never been used, and that couldn't be any easier. So now that we have both stringers on, I like to place my pump in the boat, and we're going to get working on that. Now, I like to inflate the bow first and then the tubes. It seems to distribute the pressure more evenly a little bit quicker. And then I like to install my seats. And you actually have to do this before you get too much pressure in the boat. Clip those onto the edges, and we're going to wait for the pump. Now that we've inflated the boat fully to 3.5 psi in all the main chambers, I've inflated the keel chamber, which runs underneath the floor, to 3.5 psi as well. That chamber you can run up to 5 psi. We tend to leave it at 3.5, just so everything stays even. Now that we have all of our accessories and Scotty products on the boat, we're ready for a day on the water. For more information, please visit us at strykerboats.com. Thanks for watching.